Struggling to accept payments on your WordPress site, especially in Southeast Asia? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This quick guide will have your Xendit payment gateway up and running in Paymattic smoother than a freshly paved road. Let's dive in. First, head over to the payment gateway from your Paymattic dashboard. Keep your eye out for Xendit on the left-hand side. Once you see it, hit Install and Activate. Next, we need to choose between Test Mode and Live Mode. Test Mode is like a practice round, so use any test card number Xendit provides. Once you're comfortable, switch to Live Mode to start accepting real payments. Speaking of needs, you'll also need your Xendit secret key. Head over to your Xendit account, go to the API keys, and click Generate Secret Key. Give it a name and choose the permissions. Think of it as giving your key specific powers. Once you're happy, click Generate and copy that key. Now, head back to your WordPress dashboard and paste your copied key. Remember to save settings. Before we move to the next step, it's worth mentioning that Xendit integration is a premium feature, so you'll need Paymattic Pro to use it. One last step, we need to set up a webhook so Xendit can chat with Paymattic about your transactions. The webhook URL is chilling out right here. Now, from the developer section in Settings, head to the webhooks. Scroll down all the way until you see the invoices. Now, paste it here. Choose those notification boxes, click Test, and Save, and bam! You're all set to accept payments with Xendit and Paymattic. Now, you can focus on building your awesome website and leave the payment headaches to Xendit and Paymattic. So, go forth and conquer the Southeast Asian market.